Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today, and thank you so much for dropping by. I will be talking about the reasons why Sanyang might be the perfect place for you to put down your roots. From its stunning beaches and serene ambience to its warm, welcoming community, I'll uncover why Sanyang stands out as a potential destination for expats seeking a slower pace of life and a peaceful tropical paradise. If you haven't already, be sure to check out part 1 and part 2 to get a comprehensive understanding of why Sanyang in the Gambia is a fantastic place to live as an expat. Today, I'm excited to delve into the topic of business that you could start in Sanyang if you're considering a move to this beautiful location. But before we get started, I'd like to ask for your support. Please consider leaving a like or a comment if you find this information valuable. By doing so, you will help my channel to reach a wider audience, and I'd greatly appreciate it. Now, let's talk about the various types of businesses that you could consider launching in Sanyang. The possibilities are diverse. Whether you're looking to invest in the tourism industry, agriculture, or maybe a unique venture, Sanyang offers a range of opportunities. From eco-friendly resorts to local craft shops, the choices are numerous. A lot of people who move to the Gambia, they're not going there to work. A lot of them are just going to retire, or people just want to have a less busy life, and you might not want to work for you might not want to work for other people. So you might be thinking you might want to consider starting a business. So living in Sanyang, there are various businesses that you could possibly start. If you're considering starting a business in Sanyang or any other location for that matter, it is essential to conduct thorough market research and assess the current economic landscape to identify the potential opportunities. So you could look at tourism related ventures. Sanyang's proximity to the beach and natural attractions make it a potential hub for businesses related to tourism. This could include guest houses, eco-tourism ventures, water sport facilities, or restaurants catering to tourists. The agricultural sector in Sanyang includes rice cultivation and farming. There may be some opportunities in agribusiness, such as processing and exporting local agricultural products. You could also consider providing services that cater to both expat community and the local population. This could include healthcare services, education, retail, or other essential services. With a growing global awareness of environmental conservation, businesses focusing on eco-friendly and sustainable practices such as recycling, renewable energy, or conservation efforts could find such opportunities in Sanyang. If you have a passion for arts and culture, you might explore opportunities related to local crafts, music, or cultural experiences that could appeal to tourists and residents alike. Depending on the level of technological infrastructure in Sanyang, there could be opportunities in providing internet services, technology-related services, or digital solutions that address local needs. Before starting a business in Sanyang or any other foreign location, it is essential to understand the local regulations, business environments, and cultural nuances. It may also be beneficial to consult with local authorities and business association for guidance and support. Additionally, keep in mind that market conditions can change, so conducting up-to-date market research is crucial to identifying potential opportunities and assessing the viability of your business area. As I wrap up this exploration of Sanyang, I hope that you have a clearer picture of this coastal town in the Gambia. I hope now you have a clearer picture of why this coastal town in the Gambia could be an enticing destination for potential expats. From its tranquil beaches and peaceful ambience to its welcoming community and unique cultural experiences, Sanyang offers the world of possibility for those seeking a new place to call home. Remember, every location comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages consideration, and Sanyang is no exception. Before making the decision to settle there, I recommend thorough research and consultation with local residents and expats to ensure it aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content on exciting places to live in the Gambia. Thank you for joining me today on this journey, and I look forward to sharing more adventures with you in the future. Until next time, happy exploring.